My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video I have a good news for all Shibano holders, so keep watch this video till the end friends, because very soon they are going to hit a 0.01 USD dollar friends. That is my personal prediction, and I believe that the Shiba will give us good amount of profit, and especially for short term. This is a big good news that after 7 days the Shiba token will make you millionaire. Remember my friends, if you hold a lot of Shiba tokens, so absolutely there is no doubt that they will make you millionaire, and after 7 days friends, because I know on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, that the huge pump of the Shiba are coming soon. But when will be the Shiba big jump? Please subscribe now ABS Tech channel. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel before I announce this good news friends. Subscribe now. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now the good news is that in the start of June, June there is a 90% chances to Shiba take a huge jump friends, because if you look the technical analysis, if you look the previous last 30 days price chart, so you can see here in the start of May, you can see here on the 4th May, on the 6th May, they start gradually quick jump. You can see here on 8th May, you can see here on 9th May the quick jump occurs in the Shiba token. So now it is the start of new month friends. That is why my prediction is 100% sure, and I believe that they can take a huge jump in the start of June friends. What do you think? You can see here on the basis of my research, you can see here now in the start of May they take a huge jump. So same like that, maybe there's a lot of chances to they take a huge jump in the start of June friends. So that is a good news. Subscribe now. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. And if you have any type of questions about Shiba, so please share in the comment box, and also share your opinion and prediction about Shiba in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.